Hi, welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and I'm on the Melbourne leg of the 2019 RIU Resources Investor Roadshow. And I'm with Andrew Radonjic, who's our Managing Director of Venture Minerals, and who are, well, you could say they're living the life of Riley at the moment. As Andrew, you're getting ready to reopen your Riley iron ore mine in Tasmania.
Yes, we are. We're on site. We're moving dirt. We're building roads, and we're putting in the offices as we speak.
All right. Well, Riley really does sort of speak for itself. Sum-wise, numbers-wise, it's all ready to go. What's happening? Just give us a nutshell thing. What's happening there?
Well, we ran the feasibility numbers, and the project makes $31 million at 90 US. So I think this morning was 96, 97 US. So it's making $39 million. So the investment decision by the board, which was made back on the 22nd of August, with a 300% internal rate of return, was an easy decision to make. So the project we'd started it before, we're just recommencing it. So it was a formality, but a formality needed to be done, but it demonstrates the strong economics of the project.
And strong economics, the board want to do it, tick, tick, tick. Other boxes have got ticked with the fact that you've already got an off-take agreement signed.
That's correct. Now the off-take's done. We've got a new general manager employed, ex-BHP Rio. So got more experienced mining or iron ore mining team this time. So we're in a very good position to make this work.
Yeah, and look, I don't mean to sound flippant, but really the only thing you've really got to do now is get down there and start mining and start producing, start shipping it, and then the money will start rolling in.
Sounds easy. Maybe you should do it.
Yeah, I'm wasting my time here. Yeah, but there's really not much else to it, is there?
Well, that's correct. Yeah, it's it's almost an insult to call it a mine. It's really a quarry. We've got guys who are experienced in quarrying. It's a gravel washing plant. It's top 1.5 meters. There is no strip ratio. It couldn't be any simpler, and hence it's a very low risk strategy for the company.
And really low risk for your shareholders too, because it really means that in the foreseeable future there's no need for you to go rattling the tin for any sort of raisings. Money's going to be there, which will now be put in towards your other project in Tasmania, which is
Mount Lindsay. Yes, look, that's certainly, of course, it will depend on the economics at the time, but if we can. We're looking at a much smaller, higher grade, lower capex scenario. We're targeting $50 million from Mount Lindsay instead of $200 million as before. So, if we're making, say, 30, like the numbers are saying, then, the rest of it can be done with debt. That should be easy to finance. So we shouldn't need to go back to shareholders anymore.
All right, so really we're just waiting to hear when the mining starts. We're waiting to hear when the money starts. So all the good news that's going to be flowing for Venture Minerals in the foreseeable future.
That's right. We're weeks away from all that.
Oh, weeks away. All right, weeks away. That means we're weeks away from hearing about it. It means we're weeks away from bringing it to you at the Resources Roadhouse. Andrew Radonjic, good to see you.
It's been a pleasure as always.